What's up, everyone? Michigan 1777 here. As you can see, I have the Sony Pulse Elite headset right here. I'm sure a lot of you have a gaming headset similar to this or this exact model. Um, I was finding, over time, the plush padding on the ears started to wear down a little bit. I've had these for almost 3 years. No cracking, fortunately, yet. Only some small microfractures, so I'll probably end up doing the twist tie trick soon. But I decided, I'm going to give some new Earpads a try and, see how they are. So right here, I have the Brainwavz Earpad. As you can see here, very thick. These are the originals. Very thin. And when you come down to it, you can see how much thicker the Brainwavz are compared to the regulars. These have memory foam in them, so they'll conform to your face a little bit more. And they fit so well in the Elite headset here. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful fit. So what I'm going to plan on doing here, and I've only replaced one so far, but what I'm going to plan on doing is I'm going to take the other Earpad, obviously put it on here, and a lot of people complain about the headband. It's a very thin material. You don't really get much out of it, which I completely agree. So I'm actually going to, if I enjoy this after a few days, I'm going to take these pads and cut off the interior lip here on the pad. If I can get that, yeah. I'm going to align it with what the headband is, and the extra foam that I have from this, I'm going to put it on the headband itself and add just a little bit more cushion. I'll follow up on a recording here, but I just thought I'd give you all a heads up and see how things go. And after a while, I might end up doing my Sony WH-1000 XM2s as well. But yeah, so this is a starter video, and I'll let you know how it all goes in a few days.